in the administrative leadership program has been amazing. I've been able to have an assistantship on campus working with nursing students, doing like academic success coaching, which has really affirmed my passion for working in higher ed and working with students because I get to see the direct impact I have on helping people. At UWM, I discovered that I have what it takes to be a leader. When I first transferred, I was so nervous and shy and really in my shell. And as I am graduating, I'm leaving with so much more confidence in myself, and I have been able to take on so many leadership roles and feel supported throughout that. I feel like it's in store for me to get a PhD. My mother was pregnant with me while she attended UWM. I feel like I started at UWM and I definitely want to conclude there.